In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen. Begin by opening one of your apps that you wish to use in split screen view and accessing it in the background. To do that with tricky navigation, use this button with 3 lines. Now tap on the icon of an app and select Open in split screen view. Lastly, just click on the second one. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!